You know, when that rut hits and those bucks really start chasing does, this season heat up the rut with Tink's number 69 Doe and Rut Hot Bomb. Now each hot bomb comes preloaded with Tink 69 Doe and Rut buck lure, and it has an air-activated heat source in the back. Heated lures have several advantages. One, it puts out more scent molecules into the air that travel farther and faster. It also puts out a more natural and consistent scent, and each hot bomb lasts for about 4 hours. And for you northern hunters hunting in that snow and bitter cold, the hot bomb will not freeze. The Tink's hot bomb comes 2 to a pack. Each hot bomb is individually wrapped, so you will have a hot bomb for 2 different hunts. Now you can, if you really want to spice this thing up, add a few drops of Tink 69 to it to make it just a little stronger. You can hang them up in a tree or place them on the ground, but wherever you put it, make sure you get to that stand quick, because that buck's coming looking for that hot doe. And remember, there's no batteries required to heat up that scent. Tink's Hot Bomb, it's affordable, it's easy to use, not messy, and it works.